Hi guys, I'm Kayla and I'm gonna give you simple ways we can do to prevent the spread of COVID-19. Number 1. Maintain a safe distance from others. Even if they don't appear to be sick, or safe to say, stay at home as ordered. If going out, however, cannot be prevented, for example, for a doctor's appointments, for us kids, or other necessary errands for our parents and household staff, be sure to stay 6 feet or about 2 arms length away from others. Remember that some people without symptoms may be able to spread virus. Number 2. Wear a mask in public, especially indoors or when physical distancing is not possible. Number 3. Choose open, well-ventilated spaces over closed ones. Open a window if indoors, for example. If we are allowed to dine out, choose all fresco dining. Number 4. Clean your hands often. Use soap and water or an alcohol-based hand rub. Wash your hands often with soap and water for at least 20 seconds, especially after you've been in a public place or after blowing your nose, coughing, or sneezing. It's especially important to wash, and this is for everyone. If soap and water are not readily available, use a hand sanitizer that contains at least 60% alcohol. Cover all surfaces of your hands and rub them together until they feel dry. Avoid touching your eyes, nose, and mouth with unwashed hands. Number 5. Clean and disinfect. Clean high-touch surfaces daily. This includes tables, doorknobs, light switches, countertops, handle, desk, phone, keyboard, toilet, faucets, and sinks. Number 6. Take care of yourself, eat healthy, and take your vitamins regularly. Number 7. Monitor your health daily, especially our parents and household members who go out even not daily. Be alert of symptoms. Watch for fever, cough, shortness of breath, or other symptoms of COVID-19. Last but certainly not the least, always pray. Pray to God for protection, our healing, and rejuvenation, not just for yourself and your family, but also for your friends or even people you don't know. Pray for our nation. Aww.